We're in Ohio.
Ohio. Oh, yeah, might as well say hello and talk. Because we just started our trip. We left yesterday at like 6:30. Went to a place to stop to collect some spring water, but we did not find it at all. So we just drove to this spot. What is it called? Honey Run Waterfall. And like we just entered the woods and like boom. It's just so magical. So much magic. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I have no idea. Well, yeah, it would be where the water's flowing. Like, we would have to go upstream. Oh, there it is. Some people there, but it's fine. People are fine. Looks like a yoni. Wow. Okay, there's people here, so I'm just gonna end it now so I can be here now. I saw it fly to us, or fly past us. Wow. For real, so magical. I want to go sit on top of it. Wow, 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 wow. Just like you. Look at this little mushroom, dude. Oh, wow. Why is it all alone? I don't see any other one like it.
I feel like I've seen something recently about like red mushrooms or pink mushrooms or something.
Do you remember what it says?
I really don't.
Aw.
But it was cool though.
Whatever it was cool. Wow. 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 Okay, I'm gonna end it now so I can be here now. Thanks for watching.